Number 19. In a baseball game, a ball is hit on a north 38-degree east angle to the right field wall, about 372 feet away. The player in right field must make a throw to third base. How far of a throw must the player make to reach third base? Round to the nearest foot. So here's our diagram. The one thing that's not added on there is that the angle here the ball's hit. So there's north here, and it's just shifted a little bit over. So there's north, because it says north goes directly through second base, and it's hit on a 38-degree angle. So this right there is 38 degrees. Now, because this is a square here, this piece, each one of these is 90. So if this is 38 to where the ball's hit, this side right here is split between first and third. So this is right here, 45 degrees. Now, I'll come into play in a second. So I have a 90-degree angle here going to second base, but it's not a 90-degree angle going to the right field wall, unfortunately. So I cannot use psi y cos x, tangent is y over x. So really all I have is I have this distance here, I have 90, and I have an angle right there. And let me just kind of do a quick sketch what we have. Right now, we're looking at this information, and we know this is 372, we know this is 90, and we just determined that this is 45 plus 38, which would be 83 degrees in there. Now, let's see how we can figure out the rest of this problem. What we're going to do is first check to see if we have a completed set. This is not a psi y cos x, tangent is y over x. So we look for a completed set. I don't have an angle on the side across from it, so I must use law of cosines. And I need to put on here, that's what I'm looking for there, x. So law of cosines is at the top of the formula chart right here. It's fourth line down. And you can use any one of these three theorems. So we're just going to use the fourth, or the first. So what it says is that a squared equals c squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of a. In this problem, I don't know what a is. That's going to be our x. So I'm going to call this a right there. So I'm going to put x squared here equals b. I'll put b there. So this would be 90 squared plus c, which is 372 squared, minus 2 times 90 times 372 times the cosine of 83 degrees. And now to solve this, all I'll need to do is take the square root of both sides. Now usually we say plus or minus, but since this is distance, it's going to be positive. So we go to our calculator, and say the square root there you go, of 90 squared plus 372 squared minus 2 times 90 times 372, and the cosine of angle A, which was 83 degrees. Now press enter. This should give me my answer. The throw is 379.1 feet. 371.9 feet. It said round to the nearest foot. So this would be approximately a 372-foot throw.